Hello and welcome to our introduction on getting books out of the University of York's library.
Did you know that you, an A-level student, can use the library to aid you in your independent learning?
What is a personal study?
Thanks for asking. For your personal study, you may be asked to examine the significance of a person, period, or event in history.
One key feature of this is using sources to support your work.
The exam board expects you to use a minimum of 5 to show your development of your argument.
This is really important for university skills no matter what subject you choose to study.
While you are creating your argument, you can use the resources here at our library.
To search for your resources, use Google and type in your search, University of York. On the top left-hand corner, there is a search bar. Enter your key words into the search bar and your results will appear.
The resources will appear as categories on the left-hand side. They're both physical and electronic.
Right, let's look at books first.
On the screen, it will show you the book's code and where it is in the library and if it is available.
This is the most important bit for you to find the book, as this is where you will need to go to the library to search for it. Once you have found your book, click onto the Details tab at the top. This will show you all of the information that you need to put into your bibliography and referencing. Make sure you make a note of the title, author, publisher, publication date, and any other relevant information. All of the exam boards will require you to display good academic references. This is important as it will prepare you for university.
There are many different styles of referencing, but today we'll be focused on the Harvard system. This is popular at university and A-level.
Here is an example of one.
Open your book. Before the contents page, there is all of the information that you need.
It is the publisher, date it was published, where it was printed, and author.
If you're using a quote, make sure you make a note of the page number.
Remember, history is fun.